Alright guys, we are packing up. Gonna head over to the pick and pull right now to take a look at the ML55. Got a bunch of various tools in this bag, and then I'm also gonna grab this toolkit I got here as we're heading out there, or maybe just grab some certain sockets and pieces from there. But let's go ahead and get a move. Alright, welcome back to the channel, Anderzen, everyone. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. There was a ML55 that popped up near me at a local pick and pull, so we're gonna head over there, check it out, see what kind of little miscellaneous parts I can grab off of it. And I also got some messages off of IG followers that needed some certain things, so we're gonna try to see if we can grab those for them as well. All right guys, I'm jumping in the video as a little bit of an early surprise for you. This video is a giveaway video, and inside of this video will be the hidden instructions on how you can win these DND Performance Racing Gloves. So DND was cool enough to partner with me and want to support you guys as well and offer a giveaway for their racing gloves. They're super dope. You guys can see the review on my channel of them. I love them. I have my own pair, and I hit them up and said, hey, some of my subscribers would like these as a giveaway, and they're a super dope company. So they said, all right, let me send some out. Send them out. I got them now. They are a large. They have the hand measurements. I'll pop that up on screen as well if you need to check yours. But yeah, inside of this video, stay tuned, because somewhere in here will be hidden how you can win those gloves. Yeah, so let's go adventure. Let's have some fun. See you guys once we get there. All right, had to stop for gas real quick. Go ahead and reset the gauge. There we go, just like that. 23 gallons back in the tank. I also do the reset over here. Cool, let's go. Just made it here. Gonna go ahead and head inside, and I'll show you guys what we see. All right guys, so we made it in. Time to go find where this thing is at. All right, I didn't look up what row it was on, so we'll see if we can find it. Otherwise, I can just look it up real quick. Lots of stuff here. All right, we have spotted it. Row 22. Thing looks like it's seen better days. We gotta cross the river. All right. The engine's whole. Thing is not been sitting here that long, but let's see what we got. Damn, somebody already got the steering wheel. That's what I wanted. You can see exhaust pieces. Yeah, I knew people were gonna scope this out. It's been here for like 12 days. Any car like this, you can see this thing got gutted fast. So we'll see what we have left over. Luckily, the parts I need. I want these things really bad. These are like $80 a piece, these little hardware. So I'm gonna grab all of these to have extras. And oh, the bumper was wrecked. Hey, look at this. Somebody needed these header flanges, so I don't even know if these are out of this car. See what we got. Damn, man, yeah, they got everything. I was gonna try to get the cluster and the steering wheel, but we'll see what else they got here. What kind of CD they got? Who is this? I recognize this CD. Okay, maybe I don't. The CD cover looked familiar though. Got some Nora Jones, not too bad. All right, see what we can grab from here. Seats are not in bad shape. Still got the brakes. Those are worth a good bit and helpful for anyone out there. Maybe we could go for those. See, we still got the trunk badges. I'm gonna grab these as well. Like I said, I'm gonna grab all these little hardwares, because if you can believe it, they are 80 bucks a piece when you buy them new online, and they're really hard to find. Oh, this is kind of cool. A little separating valance. Mine doesn't have one of these. dope too. Mercedes tool bag. I might snag that. Hey, check what I found on the ground too. Look, still got the original muffler. These things go for a pretty penny. Man, I need something to cut this other side off though. Somebody hit me up looking for one of these too. I don't know if I can get this thing out of here, but maybe we should try. All right, got the badges off. Just use a little bit of fishing line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start grabbing those little hardwares out of the back here. They're a Torx head. I can't remember exactly what size. I'll see when we get back to you. Looks like it's a T20, T25. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna grab all of them. There's 3 on each side. I'm gonna grab all of them. All right, so I got a few of those out already. I decided I'm not gonna go for the rear most ones because you gotta take off a bunch of the rest of interior panels and stuff. And I don't feel like doing that. You know, grabbing 4 of them, that'll last me. I'm also gonna try to grab this panel. Mine is cracked exactly where this one is. Never really bothered me, but I figured if I got a nice one right here, might as well grab it. I gotta look up exactly how to take these off. I can't remember. I don't think it's too difficult, so I'll look it up. It won't take too much time. I'll grab that. And just gotta grab this other one. Not gonna worry about that one. Like I said, had to get rid of some of this. I gotta hop in the back here to reach that because the spare tire holder is in the way. So I'm gonna hop up here. Yeah. All right, we're in an ML55. Look at that, the tint's peeling away. The seats, like all the stuff in here is actually still in really good shape. I really wanted to see what the cluster was at so I could, I mean, I probably wouldn't have been able to power it up, but I was curious what the mileage was on here. I'll try to check on the website. I'll pop it up on screen if it shows. But yeah, here's that last one. Gonna go ahead and get this one out and then we'll move on to something else. All right, we got the last one out of there. It's really hard to find this back half pop off when I was in there. It's super hard to find them once I get on the ground because they're like the same color as these wet rocks. So I had to look for a little bit, but I found it. So that's the last one. I got 4 of these collected, so I'm solid with that. Let's go ahead and start moving on to something else. I'm gonna grab these. I'm honestly thinking about grabbing the front brakes. These are used on all kinds of cars, so yeah, I think I'm gonna take those off possibly. And what else? I'm gonna try to see if I can get these off. I think they're just held on with adhesive. I'll have to look though. And besides that, maybe a few coil packs and the MAF, so I can have some extras on hand. And not much else besides that. Let's see. Anything else I can think of that I might want? I don't think so. Maybe the spark plug wires too, if they're not too stuck in there. Otherwise, I won't waste my time. And that's about it. All right, we're gonna scratch the rear quarter panel. It's not worth the time. I guess they're adhered onto here, and I was testing out this one since it's already broken one. Unless I had like a heat gun, it took forever to try to pry this off. There's no way I'm getting this one off without damaging it, so just not worth the time. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to something else. All right, so this muffler section is only 34 bucks, so I'm definitely gonna grab this. It'll definitely fit in the car, and it's not even that heavy actually. It's probably like 20 pounds. And I just noticed ECU is still in here. I'm gonna grab this just to have on hand. And I don't know if the coil packs are worth it. I couldn't tell the pricing. It might be like 34 bucks a piece or 20 bucks a piece, so I don't think those are really worth it. And without knowing the condition of them, I'm not gonna waste my time trying to get all those off. I will grab the MAF though, so that's an easy one to have. So just gotta unclip. I don't know if I'll be able to do this one again. That's off. And just gotta unclip this side. Another one. Alright. That side is off. Now I just gotta grab my screwdriver and get the other one off. And then we got a nice backup map. Alright, ECU is out. Got an extra one on hand. I could try to grab this whole board and grab the all activity module, but we'll see. It's kind of a pain to get out. Might leave it alone. Yeah, one part down. I might go for the brakes next. Let's see, throw this in the bag of parts. All right, got half the spark plug wires out. I'm just grabbing them because they're like $1 a piece, and these are still in pretty good shape actually. All the rubber's pliable, and not a bad idea to just have them extra on hand. Haven't done them on the ML55 yet, so yeah, might as well grab all of them. All right, the driver's side spark plugs. Whoever was the owner, they did a good job of putting dielectric grease on the passenger side boots. They did not do a good job putting dielectric grease on the driver's side. They're much more stuck on there, so I'm not gonna waste my time. Next thing I'm gonna do, still got an oil filter in here, just curious. Nope, gonzo. I think I'm gonna pull these brakes because the calipers are like something like 20 bucks or something like that. So I'm gonna grab these calipers off of here. All right guys, well, I think that'll wrap up the parts I'm gonna get. Wasn't able to grab the brake calipers because I forgot they have a bigger bolt size than the normal ones. I think it's like a 19, and I did not bring a 19. I have some adjustable wrenches, but they won't fit in here, so yeah, gonna have to pass on these ones. They're pretty common actually. They're like a dime a dozen on eBay. You can get them for like anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks, so not much of a come up. Oh man, I wish I could pull this engine out of here and just take this home with me. Keep this as a spare engine to build. I'm sure it's good. All the oil looks clean everywhere I'm checking and stuff. I don't know what the story on this car was because it's not in bad shape. It's the only part that was really messed up was the bumper, but for all I know, could have just gotten messed up from people ripping it off. And besides that, the rest of it looks clean. So who knows what the story is. It's definitely been sitting for a long time because of all the weathering on it, but I guess it gets to live out the rest of its days next to an old Camry and an old Corolla wagon. Surrounded by Toyota, so I guess it's got good company. But yeah, anyways, guess that'll wrap it up for the junkyard portion today. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, back at the car now. Go ahead and get everything loaded up and we'll head out of here. Super happy with this. 34 bucks for the muffler. You can resell them for, I mean, locally probably 200 plus. On eBay you can see them for like 350. So I'll try to sell it locally. It's not worth to try to ship it. But yeah, good part nonetheless. Alright, well, they didn't have all the items that we wanted, but not a bad day nonetheless. Planning on just selling this muffler. Mine's in good shape that's on the car. So it looks like I'll probably be able to flip it for at least $150 profit. And most importantly, you know, keeping these parts alive and hopefully giving them to somebody that needs them to keep their old AMG alive. Interrupting the ending again to remind you guys, somewhere in this video that you just watched is the hidden giveaway for the DND Racing Spec Performance Gloves. So check back if you missed it. And I just wanted to say a big thank you to DND again for supporting the channel and for supporting you guys with this giveaway. So for myself, we got little miscellaneous things. Got the hardware, got the extra emblems. Maybe I'll try to sell those on eBay. Not worth much, but they're the original, so they're worth grabbing. And didn't end up getting the MAF because it was more expensive than I thought. It was like around 45 bucks and had like a $3 core charge or something like that. So just not worth it because I don't know what kind of condition it's in, and you can get them for like $100, $150 for brand new ones and with lifetime warranty from FCPRO. So that one wasn't worth it, but I did pick up, you know, a set of the spark plugs, got that little bag, and got the ECU as well. So total, everything was about $85, I believe, and that's for the muffler. The ECU was around 40 something, and the coil wires. So yeah, good day nonetheless. It was fun. It's kind of fun peeling apart a car that you don't really have to worry about messing anything up. So it's only my second or third time to this junkyard. The last time it wasn't worth what I was looking for, so I didn't end up working on any of the cars. But this one was definitely worth it. I wish I could have got those brake calipers, but just didn't have a big enough socket with me. So better luck next time. I'll be sure to bring a 19 and some higher metric sockets next time I do come out here. So anyways, I'm gonna get on the road. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.